Hi, I'm Michael Andersen, and I'd like to ask you a question. Are blue chip stocks really still blue? Now, blue chip stocks are big established corporations. I'm sure you can think of some names off the top of your head. IBM, Procter & Gamble, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, so forth. But sometimes those particular companies, even if they sound like they're going to be around for another 100 years, sometimes they don't actually work out. Think, for example, of what's happening right now with GE. General Electric stock price has plunged. They cut their dividend in half. Or think about Sears. Sears was once the biggest American retailer. Now they're shriveling up and they're probably going to go out of business. Or look at Kodak. Kodak 25, 30 years ago was a booming company. Now today, try explaining to a 10-year-old what film is. So blue chip stocks, they're blue, but they're not always guaranteed. See, that's the thing with investing in stocks. Even if something is stable and safe in your mind, something can always happen to it. A couple of years ago, we had the oil well spill in the Gulf of Mexico with British Petroleum. If you think about it, if you are going to be a blue chip stock investor, which is something I would generally recommend for folks approaching retirement as one possible option, let's invest in a bunch of companies to try to spread out the risk. Don't just own stock in GE or in BP or in Sears, but own stock in as many as you can, 20, 30, 50, 100 different companies. And in fact, one way to do that without having to do all that research and buy all those stocks yourself is to invest through a mutual fund or an exchange-traded fund where with a small single purchase, you may be able to be diversified very quickly and very easily.
Money Insider is sponsored by Andersen Wealth Management.